Welcome to AI Traders live market analysis using artificial intelligence to find high probability trades. Yes, a brief disclaimer. I'm Richard Miller and I'll be presenting today's AI Traders Live show. A warm welcome on this cold morning on the 30th of November. We'll be looking at the NASDAQ 100 and the S&P 500 index, and we're going to look at it from a QQQ ETF and the Spider ETF AI trading strategy. We use 4 artificial intelligence engines: the major market reversals, classic swing trades, volatility breakouts, and quick 3-day moves. Now, these 4 AI engines cater for different type trading styles, and we've applied these rules on the S&P 500 and NASDAQ 100 using the QQQ and Spider ETF. Now, just to recap the tip of the iceberg explanation, the AI does 10 to the power of 200 different possible combination of more than 200 different technical indicators and market relationships to come up with high probability trades using genetic algorithms. Jumping straight into the Metastock platform, I've got the Fulgent AI engine loaded. Now, the AI is specifically been trained looking at the QQQ and Spider ETF. The AI has the trading statistics. The major market reversal signal was on average 78% accurate over the testing period, with an average profit per trade of 6.6. The swing trade the swing trade ETF is 71% accurate. The swing trade strategy with a 3.8% average profit per trade. The volatility breakout strategy is 52% accurate, 1.2% average profit per trade. And a quick move is a lovely swing trade strategy in on the day after the signal, out on the 3rd or 4th day, is 71% accurate on average with 1.3% average profit per trade. Now, these tests have been run over more than 20,000 data points, so we know with comfort that we've captured a couple of bull and bear cycles in the QQQ and the Spider, and these are the average trading statistics for both the average for longs and shorts. So you can see absolutely fantastic to have something that's 78% accurate trading the market and 71% accurate trading the Spider and QQQ. Now, looking at the current signals on the NASDAQ QQQ ETF, we've got a sell signal. We've had a tremendous couple of great trades here from March, April, volatility breakouts, lots of volatility breakouts. And now the most recent signal is it hit the trailing stop loss, and the AI is recommended getting out of this market. And we're now waiting for the next available signal at this point in time. So far, so good. The QQQ ETF fund is now in 100% cash since it generated a sell signal on the QQQ ETF. Turning to the Spider ETF that covers the S&P 500 index, we can see we've had a tremendous amount of high probability trades over the last year. That is absolutely fantastic, generating a huge amount of money trading the ETF. And the most recent trade was a volatility breakout. In here, around about 425, 435, and now out of the market. There was a sell signal, and yesterday was the time to cash out. We're now waiting to see what the next available signal will be on the S&P 500, but so far this index tracking fund is now in 100% cash, and we're not buying this conspicuous consumption bubble anymore. So this is where we stand on the end of day basis. The QQQ have cashed out there after a tremendous rally in October and November, and the Spider ETF, also a lovely end of September trade, October and November, also cashed out now after the AI's recommended a sell in this market because it hit its trailing stop. For those traders that like to trade the QQQ and the Spider ETF on an intraday basis, or the indices for that matter, we've got a volatility breakout signal there with a very wide stop loss there at 387. Will be interesting to see if we're going to hit that at some point soon, but we have a volatility breakout. You can see the last trade captured a nice move in October, November, a very nice move there, and we've also got a volatility breakout here on the Spider ETF on an intraday basis, but that's on a 4-hour chart. If we now turn to the hourly chart, now the AI has not been trained for hourly charts. We're just using the end of day signals to see what the AI is going to chuck off in terms of hourly. Let me just load that one as well. You can see we've got a volatility breakout there. A nice volatility breakout there with a trailing stop here at, what's that level there? We're just going to get it. Software to activate that, 395. So that's the trailing stop there at 395 is a trailing stop in the QQQ on an hourly basis. There isn't any active signals on the Spider ETF, so So far on an end of day basis, quite happy being in cash on this one, and there's the more aggressive trader. There are some swing trading opportunities available on a intraday basis. But so far we kind of know that the AI is now, just to recap this trading statistics, this is a 78% accuracy on the major market reversal, swing trade 71, volatility breakout 52, and quick move 71. Now this is over a more than 20,000 bar testing period, so we are quite comfortable in the fact that we know that this particular AI is quite successful trading the QQQ and the Spider ETF. If any traders wants to get their hands on having your own artificial intelligence engine, go to metastock.com/alphaharvest 3-for-1. We've got a fantastic buy 3 months for the price of one deal on at the moment, and you can try it out and see if the artificial intelligence engine fits your trading style. metastock.com/alphaharvest 3-for-1. This is what the landing page looked like. We've got a 3 months for the price of one deal. Whether you're taking the artificial intelligence engine on a end of day basis, the side, or the real time, if you do high frequency intraday trading, we've got two options for the buy 3 months for the price of one deal on Metastock platform. And that brings us to the end of this edition of AI Traders Live, where we reviewed this beautiful conspicuous consumption bubble in the Nasdaq and the Spider ETF. The markets are very extended. Beautiful stock market bubble, liquidity bubble, conspicuous consumption bubble, call it what you may. And we're now waiting for the next aggressive signal as generated by the AI on the QQQ and the Spider ETF. Until next time, happy AI trading. Bye for now.